What's up guys, Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today we're going to be comparing ClickFunnels versus DropFunnels when it comes to digital courses. Before that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new and smash that bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos. This video is sponsored by the Marketing Automation Toolkit. You can go to tryjohnson.com today and get yours free. It comes with free software, tips, tricks, and training to help you in your online marketing. So with that being said, let's jump in and compare these two juggernauts head to head in the digital course realm. When it comes to digital courses, I give ClickFunnels a 3 out of 5 stars and DropFunnels a 5 out of 5 stars. So let's jump into those reasons. So we're inside of a DropFunnels membership site. This is the Facebook Organic Marketing Automation course. You guys can check out this course below at tryjohnson.com/unlimited-leads if you want to jump in and check this course out. What I love about DropFunnels is it's completely customizable. You can make very simple courses like this one, or if you want, you can come and completely change the layout, customize the design down to everything. It's got great templates to start from. So I just used a simple template for this one and made my tweaks, made it to my own brand for this specific course, and very easily got this up and running. One cool thing about DropFunnels is you can clone the course steps, so you don't have to start from scratch each time if it's going to be similar. And then you can change each little feature inside the course without much effort. So anytime you want to make any edits, all you have to do is hit this DropFunnels button, and that takes you right to the editor. And the course content is just like any funnel step or post or page on DropFunnels. So it's completely customizable. You can see here, you can add individual elements to a page if you want to. So heading, photos, videos, opt-in forms, and stuff like that. And also you can create different layouts or start from a template. So in here there are some done for you lesson templates and stuff like that you can start from to make your membership really pop. Highly recommend checking all these out. You can swap your current content at any time with one of these templates by simply clicking it and hit replace existing layout. If you want to see what it looks like, you can append it to the bottom. So that will put it below. And once that loads up, you can see how the new course template will look. These look fantastic out of the box, and you can customize it further from there using the elements on the left here. So love the customization options in DropFunnels, how easy it is. If I want to get rid of this, again, I can just X out these and my course is back to normal. If I did want to save any changes, I just hit done, publish, or if I want to revert back to the previous version, I hit discard and OK. And now I'm back on the actual site, how it's going to look for members. So very easy to use course builder and very customizable. So now let's jump into a ClickFunnels course so you can see the difference. So this was a course I built on ClickFunnels. You can see here I have kind of the lessons on the left here, similar to DropFunnels, and each button takes me through the different steps in the course. One thing that I'll say about ClickFunnels courses is they are kind of harder to customize for an average person, and there's not as much detail available. You kind of have to follow a certain structure for their courses, unlike DropFunnels. So let's look at the back ends so you can see the difference here. So this is the ClickFunnels back end of their courses. You can see I have to create the overall membership design. So I can open this in the editor and you'll see what I mean. So this is kind of the overall layout of the course. It has to follow kind of this design structure. So this would be like where your course is. Whereas in DropFunnels, each page can be its own kind of separate world or entity if you wanted to really get granular and edit it. So that's one drawback of ClickFunnels versus DropFunnels is the rigid structure. Also, it's kind of harder to edit pages in ClickFunnels compared to DropFunnels. So each step I have to go in separately and kind of edit the details. I can clone these once they're done, but again, it's just not as easy to make the designs inside of ClickFunnels for me for their digital courses. So you have lesson sections and lessons inside those. If you clone a lesson inside of a lesson section, you can then go in and edit it and tell it which one to nest under. So if you wanted to move it to a different section, that's how you would move a cloned lesson to a different section. So it is a little bit kind of tedious to clone your lessons in ClickFunnels. In DropFunnels, this is the back end here. Kind of similar categories. You can see this is nestled under Start Here. If I wanted to clone these, I would hit Clone, and I would just select the module here. So I think that's a little better compared to ClickFunnels for cloning lessons. You can see all your members under the Members tab here inside DropFunnels. What I do like is in ClickFunnels, it has the members up at the top, so you can quickly see how many members are inside. You do have to scroll down to the bottom in DropFunnels to see. It's not too big of a deal, but it is one thing that I noticed. So you can see just at a glance when you're editing your members area, how many members are inside of your course. So that's nice. One of the big differences is course security, which I really docked ClickFunnels for. So in order to sign someone up for your course in ClickFunnels, you have to share this secret sign up URL. The problem with this is anyone who has access to this URL can actually create their own username, password, and then log into the course. So if this gets out there, you can't really protect your course content without manually going in and verifying people should have access. Whereas in DropFunnels, whenever they make a purchase, it actually emails them a unique login code for them specifically. So if we look in settings here, under membership products, whenever anyone buys any of these membership products that I've created in DropFunnels, they get access to this course. So it automatically emails them their details, and they will be able to log in using their unique password. They can change that password after they've logged in, and then they're good to go. So I do like the course security features in DropFunnels over ClickFunnels. They both make good looking courses. You can customize them quite a bit. I like the kind of look and feel of DropFunnels a little better, but that's kind of a preference thing. So you can try them both out and see what you like. If you guys have any tips or tricks on using DropFunnels or ClickFunnels for course creation, drop them in the comments so people can benefit from those. I'm going to drop a link below in the comments for ClickFunnels and DropFunnels. You can try them both free for 14 days. Let me know if you sign up using my link, and I'll send you a course that you can start with as a template. That way you don't have to start from scratch. That being said, watch out for the future comparison videos for ClickFunnels and DropFunnels. I'm doing a whole series on this. So let me know what features you'd like to see compared in the comments as well. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash that bell to see future videos, and I'll check you on the next comparison.